Alaya Villas here in Tilal Al Ghaf. So this is the video a lot of you have been asking me for, and this is the very first video I've ever done on the Alaya Mansions. So what are Alaya? So they are also detached villas here in Tilal Al Ghaf, but obviously they are much larger and more upgraded, much more upgraded than the Harmony, which are the entry level of the detached villas. So this is an Alaya villa behind me. Here we go. Here's a couple of Alaya villas. I'm gonna, as I walk, so you can get an idea of how they're coming on, especially if you're watching and you're an owner and you live overseas or you haven't been able to come down here yet. This is actually quite exciting to see it, but you see, until you can actually walk and visualize these, it's very hard for me to get you any videos. So what are the Alaya villas? So the built up area, there are 4, 5 and 6 bedroom detached villas. You've got all the exact built ups below in the description, but they start from 5,800 square foot and they go all the way up to 9,500 square foot. You've got 44 beachfront Alaya villas, well, they're mansions. You've got 14 that are right on the water, and then you've also got the other 30 which are the Grand Reserve, and they are also on the beachfront. So in total 44 Alaya beachfront mansions. These ones that you can see are not on the beachfront, obviously. And then after that you have got another 130 Alaya mansions, and they are dotted all around the rest of the community. They start from where Harmony 3 finishes, and they are nestled behind Serenity as well. So the beauty of the Alaya Mansions is that you had choices for basements, also roof, as you can see, ground plus 2. You've also got some configurations had choices of upgraded gardens, marble flooring, wooden floors in all the bedrooms, and private elevators if you had that choice. So really a very different level to the Harmony villas that we have seen so far. And the estimations are that these mansions will be handing over, well, when I was speaking to somebody recently, the first villas we're told will be handing over from April next year. So we're just 5 months, 6 months away from the first handover of Alaya, and this is really going to bring Tilal Al Ghaf into its own, because these are now the much larger mansions. You'll see the prices in the description of this video below, and you know, for the space inside and the configurations, there's a lot of people that are holding out for these mansions and villas. So if you're interested to purchase one of these, then get in touch with me. There's not that many to purchase because the owners are holding on to them tight until they're ready, but here they are. So thank you again for watching my videos as always, and get in touch with me whether it's this mansion or it's a Harmony or a townhouse or anything else that you're interested in purchasing here in Tilal Al Ghaf, or indeed anywhere in Dubai for villas and townhouses. I'm here to help, and I'm also a resident here inside Tilal Al Ghaf myself. Thank you and take care.